Hello and welcome everyone. This is Amrita Bhortake and today we are going to do a different kind of unboxing. I'm planning to plant a cut flower garden for 2021 and I ordered some supplies which came in yesterday. I am super excited about this unboxing and could hardly wait to open it, but I controlled myself so that we can open it together. All right, let's go bring the box so we can start the process. So I am really excited about this one because I've waited for these seeds for a while. And actually I bought some seeds last year, but in midst of the move and everything and well, the pandemic, to be honest, I didn't get my garden ready on time, so I couldn't plant any of them this year. I'm saving them for next year and I ordered some more seeds so I could start planting next year. Okay, I'll be super honest. I actually expected a larger box because I had a huge order. We can count the seeds afterwards. And I think it's around, I don't know, I forget the total number. So let's find out. All right, are you ready? I am. Okay, I don't have a blade, so I'm just gonna use one of my floral scissors. And there we go. So I've gotten these from one of my favorite flower farms. I ordered some seeds from them last year, but I actually didn't get a chance to sow them. So I don't know if they'll work next year, but let's see what we got today. This is not a sponsored video. I bought all of these seeds, but I still wanted to share it with you because when I started gardening, I never knew where to buy the seeds and which is a good resource. And I wanted to bring you along on my journey and show you every step of the process. Ordering the seeds, getting the plants, everything. I wanted to share it with you as much as I could, so here it is. Okay, that's the list of all the seeds. And here we are. These are the seeds. I have a total of 17 seeds. I told you I got a lot of them. Ooh, look, this is so pretty. Aww. I don't know if you can see it up here. Oh, this is so pretty. My gosh, look at the dahlias. That's, I think, her new book that's coming out. This is Erin, the owner of Floret Farms. And I've seen her journey on Instagram. I've been following her for a really long time. So that's beautiful. I love the work she does. Okay. Oh, I like how beautifully it's wrapped. Okay. Oh, there are the bulbs that I was looking for. Here. These are my Ranunculi Barbie. I think this color is going to be more pink color. I'll put a picture up on the screen of how the eventual Ranunculi is going to look like. I hope it's not a problem that I'm losing these things. But, okay. And this is Ranunculi Marshmallow. Oh, it does say that. It's bright pink. And this is Ranunculi Marshmallow, which is a blush pink in color. The height's going to be 10 to 15 inches, and I have to plant it at 1 to 2 inches in depth. I will show you the process when I plant this. All right, let's keep this aside. Oh, look at these. Isn't the wrapping the most adorable? I love it. Okay, so this is all I got. So these are bachelors. Let's go through these. Bachelor's buttons. This is... I have to open up my actual order. Hang on, I'll be right back. It is a hot day today and I have turned off my air conditioning because as it is, I don't have great sound in this place. I hope it's a little better today. But if I turn on the air conditioning, forget about it. It'll just be super loud. So forgive me if I look crazy hot. These are Bachelor's buttons. The classic fantastic, and I'm just looking into my notes to see what are the colors I got. So the classic fantastic are blue in color. Oh gosh. This is such a beautiful blue. Let me just move this away. So we can give all of these here. This one is Bachelor's Buttons Classic Magic. And this is purple and white in color. It's like a mixture of different colored purples and whites. Ooh. Bread Seed Poppy is black. Ooh, yes, I was super excited about this one because it's a black poppy. I can't wait to plant this and see the actual flowers in my garden. This is gonna be super exciting to grow. This one is Bread Seed Poppy White Frills. As the name suggests, it is completely white with a frilly texture. I don't think I've ever seen these poppies in real life, in any store, even like a flower market. So I'm excited to see how these look like. California poppy. I had to get a California poppy because we have California poppies coming up everywhere around us. And those are, you know, the orange colored poppies look gorgeous, but these are something unique. This is called California Poppy Thai Silk Apple Blossom Chiffon. I mean, the name itself, right? Guys, Floret Farms, Aaron, you've done such an amazing job with these names. If you've cultivated this, if not whoever created these seeds, my gosh, you have given it the most beautiful name. Just thinking about the name makes you think of like a beautiful romantic sunset and gorgeous chiffons hanging in the wind. I don't know, at least I think of that. I don't know if you think the same. This one is going to be light peachy champagne color. Wow, that's gonna be beautiful. I think I got 2 of them. Yeah, I did get 2 of them. So here's another one. This I was excited about because this is clary sage, but it's a different colored sage. There's Mexican sage and there's Russian sage. And I see, usually the Mexican sage, I see it everywhere. A lot of landscapers use it because it is drought tolerant. I actually thought about using it in my garden too. It has these beautiful purple flowers that come up out of it, and the leaves have a sage-like smell, but a little bit stronger than the usual sage that we use in our cooking. So this, I think, is a version of that. I need to look it up, but I looked at the flowers and it's a combination of purple and light pink flowers, so I'm excited about that. Here is Love in a Mist. Oh, these are Nigella Damascena, I don't know. But one of those Nigella flowers, and this is Starry Night, no, Cramer's Plum. So Cramer's Plum actually is white. This is a white Love in a Mist flower. This Love in a Mist is Starry Night, so this is very dark purple white. This is going to be pretty. Oh, pansies. I love pansies. These are so pretty. This one is, oh, I bought this one, which it said it was natural antique shades. It was similar to this California poppy in terms of shade. It was this apricot, creamy, peach color, like variations of these 3 different colors in this. At least that's what I thought I saw in the pictures. The pincushion flower, this is Black Knight. I think this one was complete. Yeah, I do remember this one. This one was completely this dark maroon black. I can't wait to use these in still life images. Oh, I wish I can get all of these to flower. I would go nuts when I have to actually create arrangements out of these. This Snapdragon has such a beautiful color. I don't think I can describe it. It's similar to apricot, like this light lemony yellow color and apricot color mixed together. So pretty. Straw flowers. I am a huge fan of straw flowers, and I have used it in my previous arrangements because I just love how they look. They have so much texture in them. If I combine it with a peony or a rose or even poppies with their soft petals, this actually gives a gorgeous texture with their petals because the petals of a straw flower have so much texture in them and they're so dense and tightly packed. They're beautiful. And they are amazing to use even after they dry out. You get lots of use out of cut flowers. Sweet pea, ooh, I love sweet peas. We live in San Diego and there are these flower fields in San Diego, which are mostly their ranunculi, but they also have this one section of sweet peas. And one of my earliest memories when I went there as a child was that I just remembered the smell of sweet peas. That was the first time I ever smelled sweet peas. And it was, they usually create this kind of a maze. So you walk through this maze and the entire maze is made of sweet peas. It's so beautiful. It's a flower lover's paradise, these flower fields up here. I missed them this year because of the pandemic, and I don't even know if they opened, but we weren't going out anyways, so I'm kind of sad I missed them this year, but I'm excited to see them next year. And when I go there, I'm sure I will document it and create a video for all of you. I did get some sweet peas, although sweet peas get very tall. So let me see it. Yeah, it gets as tall as 6 to 8 feet. And I don't know if and how I will have them in my garden here because I don't have a plan for something growing that tall of a vine. But maybe I might create a trellis on the planters that I have. I still got them knowing that I wasn't sure how I would use it. I was just too tempted to grow it myself. Okay, this color is, let's see, this is Erewhon. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, by the way. This is purple. This is like this beautiful lavender purple in color. And this sweet pea, Molly Rillstone, is peachy pink in color. I guess you can see that I got a lot of peachy pink. Those are the colors I gravitate towards the most. I love using those colors in my cut flower arrangements. And the goal of these flowers was to be able to use them in my compositions. So I wanted to use the colors that are part of my color palette and that will look good in the compositions that I will plan in the future. So I did go with the colors that I think would look good, but they had a lot more colors than that. This farm is pretty unique because they are a small farm and they sell out pretty quickly. So what they do is they open up their seeds on 1st of September when they sell all their bulbs, and within hours most of the seeds and bulbs are gone. By the time I could log on and check, most of the bulbs were gone, but I did find the ranunculi bulbs, which I was super excited about. But I don't think I found any tulips. I think I don't remember if they had any or they were just sold out, but a lot of the ranunculi colors were sold out. A lot of the sweet pea colors were sold out. Some of the California poppies were out. So by the time I had gone on there, those colors were all gone. But I was actually lucky enough to be able to find these because I love the kind of different colors they have. These are colors that I have not actually seen in our garden stores here. So I usually see the traditional colors. So these are some of the unique colors, which I think would look amazing in what I'm planning for in the future. So I'm actually excited about that. But this is all contingent on the fact that I can grow them. So fingers crossed for all of that. I will keep you updated on my progress throughout it. But yeah, this is my haul for today and I'm so excited to see these. I'll start most of the seeds indoors, maybe in end of December, Jan, so I can transition them outside because some of these take a while. So some of these are like 75 to 90 days maturity. This is sweet pea. The poppy, I don't know, poppy is 80 to 90 days. Yeah, so it's like a 3-month maturity. It's going to take a while. So hopefully I can get all these germinated and flowering in my garden. Oh, I completely forgot to tell you all. So the unique part about this is I'm planning to grow all of them in pots. I'm not planning to put any of these in the ground. A, because I don't have any ground space left. And B, even if I had to replace some of the plants that I already have with these, there isn't a spot that I kept for these flowers. So my goal was to actually put them in pots so I can move them around and actually use them around the house. So they would provide not only gorgeous flowers, also beautiful colors and foliage and texture in my garden, but I could move them whatever I wanted. So that was my goal. It's not going to be the traditional put in the flower bed kind of a thing. So it's going to be a different experience for me to do this. I actually have not grown flowers from seeds for at least 15 to 20 years. I used to grow them from seeds with my mom because my mom did a lot of gardening and she used to garden with seeds because we used to live in a tropical climate and we used to travel a lot. So she used to buy seeds from different places and then plant it at our home. So we actually have tried different varieties from different places. And some of them worked out, some of them didn't, but it wasn't me who ever started the seeds. Even starting my own seeds is a unique experience for me. Previously, when I did some of the vegetables in my garden, I grew fenugreek 3 years ago almost. But my parents did mostly the seed starting part and then helped me grow it. I have never actually done it for flowers, or I have done it with my mom. I've never done it on my own for flowers. So this is going to be pretty exciting. I can't wait to actually start the process and have them blooming and learn through the process because I feel like the journey is as important as the destination. Yes, it would be awesome once they grow, but I'm actually looking forward to the process of planting them and the process of growing them because that is something that gives me a lot of joy. Even the process for me is going to be a lot of fun and hopefully entertaining for all of you watching my successes and failures, and maybe you all can learn some lessons and do some gardening of your own. Anyways, that's all for today. Hope you all had fun and learned something, and if you wanted to actually get on their list, they have a list that you could sign up for, and they usually send out emails when they're opening up their shop for any of their seed and bulb releases. I'll put the link in the description down below, but this is not sponsored. I bought all of these seeds for myself, and if you are interested and if you like some of them, then you know where to get it from too. Comment below and let me know what are some of your favorite sites to buy seeds from, flowers, vegetables, either one, let me know. I hope you had fun with this unboxing. I know it was a little unusual, but I'm super excited about this garden that I'm going to plant in 2021, which is going to be a cut flower garden for my still life photography. It has been one of my dreams to actually have my own cut flower garden for my still life photography, and that was the kind of vision I had when I created the garden. But I have created a very modern, structured garden, and I wanted a little bit of whimsy to add to my arrangements and my compositions, and this is how I am going to create them. So I'm really excited about it. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell to be notified for all of my future videos, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye. This is Snapdragon. Welcome to my channel when you can always hear all sorts of sounds. And now I present to you the airplanes. This flower farm, so this Floret Flower Farm. Say it quickly, 10 times, along with me. Floret Flower Farm.